Imagine. Coming up, man.
God, about fucking time. I've been waiting fucking. Oh, I can feel it. Oh shit, spilling everywhere. It's not that hot, it's sort of just warm.
Man, they ain't not like a good shit. Damn. Man, goddamn, it's been hot today, Bo.
I know.
It's too goddamn hot. Goddamn Spongebob. Fuck Spongebob.
It's just too loud. Turn it down.
Goddamn, yeah. You turn a motherfucker down.
You get so rude about it.
Fuck you. I don't like you, man. You know that I really don't like you.
What did I do?
You're nothing but a goddamn troublemaker.
Whatever.
Start shooting me all the goddamn time. You know, I'm fucking tired of it.
You know who's tired?
You got to stop this shit.
First of all, I haven't done anything to you in like...
I know, and I appreciate that shit.
Well, then how I gotta stop what I hadn't done in like...
I'll leave me the fucking alone. Shut the fuck up!
What are these french fries?
They're mine, motherfucker. I'm eating for supper.
They've been there for like 2 hours.
They're alright.